Chapter 1 The Four Princes. In the city of Ayodhya, within the kingdom of Kosala, ruled a king named Dasharatha. Dasharatha was a wise and just king. He was the descendant of the mighty Sun dynasty. However, the king had no heirs, despite having 3 queens, and it appeared that his lineage would come to an end with him. The king consulted sage Shringi, and he was guided to perform a great yagna, a sacred ritual. The gods were pleased, and from the flames emerged Agnidev, the god of fire, who offered a bowl of nectar to the king, promising that his queens, once consuming the nectar, would bear sons destined for greatness. The king excitedly returned to the palace to share the nectar with the queens. Queen Sumitra was late to the gathering, so the 2 queens split their share for her. Soon, Dasharatha's 3 queens, Kausalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra, gave birth to 4 sons. Kausalya bore the eldest, Rama. Bharata was born to Kaikeyi. Sumitra, the queen who received the 2 pieces of nectar, gave birth to twins, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. The king and the people of Ayodhya rejoiced. As the princes grew, their divine virtues shone through. They were intelligent, kind, compassionate, and brave. They were adored by the citizens of Ayodhya. Rama, the eldest of the brothers, especially stood out. It was clear to his mother, Kausalya, that he was no ordinary child, and one day she saw in him the universal form. The princes attended school at the ashram of Guru Vashishta, where they were educated in religion, state duties, moral values, politics, philosophy, administration, and societal matters. When they returned to Ayodhya, they were further educated in the arts of war, so that they could defend their kingdom. The princes developed into formidable warriors, with Rama showing skill beyond any his teachers had ever seen. For a time, the brothers lived in peace in the city of Ayodhya, assisting their father with state matters. But one day, a sage arrived at the palace, bringing grim news that would forever change the life of the 16-year-old Rama and his brother Lakshmana. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.